P car enthusiasts, welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. To my left here, Porsche 991.1, and these cars are really quite special because this is the last naturally aspirated 911 of the basic series. Obviously we have the GT3s and the RSs and such, which are still naturally aspirated, but these cars, especially this Carrera, has 3.8 liter, flat six, around 400 horsepower. The cars sound phenomenal out the box, but with this Valvetronic Designs full exhaust package using the OEM manifolds, it sounds a hell of a lot better than the OEM Porsche Sports exhaust system. In this video today, we're going to show you all the sound characteristics, startup, revs, flybys, interior accelerations. We're going to put a GoPro on the rear bumper. We're going to do interior shots. We're going to do launch control. The whole shoot and match so that you guys know exactly what your 991.1 is going to sound like with the best sounding and most flexible exhaust solution. Let's get to the sound. People inside the 991.1, this is a Carrera 4S, and you already get really nice overrun, and it just is such an experience inside the car now with the Valvetronic system. The factory Porsche Sports exhaust, everyone paid for the PSE when this car was new, and it's just such a lackluster sound compared to this. Listen, this car is on stock downpipes, like OEM headers, and man, it sounds so much better. But Valvetronic theme, guys, come on. Close the valves. Oh, it's like it's literally quieter than the Porsche Sports exhaust. With the valves closed, you never know that this 911 is modified. So I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna do a pure sound video. We're gonna show you all the pure sound right now. Enjoy. These cars are so awesome. I really, really like it. Listen to the overrun, guys. Listen, let's listen.
Sounds really good, man.
Imagine what this car would sound like with headers. It would be absolutely out of control. Haha.
Bug.